Good morning, class. Welcome to Reading and Writing for week 2 of our online learning. I don't know about you, but last week I spent a lot of time outside. After school, I'd go for walks and with my kids and my family. And as I was walking, I noticed that there are some changes that are happening outside. I noticed that there's some plants that are starting to kind of peek through, especially underneath my trees where there isn't snow. I also heard that there are some birds that are returning to my yard that I haven't heard for a while. So there's a lot of change happening right now. So just as you as kindergartners are growing and changing, the living things that are around us are growing and changing as well. This week our learning focus is going to be on how animals and plants grow and change, which they grow and change because they're living things. Each animal and each plant has its own life cycle. So we're going to be focusing on the life cycles of frogs, the life cycles of butterflies, and the life cycle of the plant, which even plants, their life cycles vary some, but plants all start out as seeds that sprout. I'm excited to learn more about how things grow and change with you, and I'm going to leave you with a poem. Our poem for this week is Mary, Mary, Quite Contrary. Okay, here we go. Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. That is your challenge this week, is to learn that nursery rhyme. Good luck. I hope you have a great week.